Hi, I'm Gordon, and I'm going to be showing you 6 easy steps to use milk jugs for winter sowing. So, a reason you might want to do this is there are some plants that require a certain number of days where it's cold before that they're able to sprout. The steps are you'll need to find a clean, empty milk jug and that you can use, and you don't need the cap, so you can throw the cap away. Step 2 is to take a box knife or some other kind of knife and poke holes in the bottom of the jug. Step 3 is cutting around the milk jug just below the handle, but don't cut it all the way off because you'll need some kind of hinge. And then step 4 is to fill the bottom part of the milk jug with dirt and to pack it down a little bit. Step 5 is sow the seeds that you have at whatever depth it says on the bag. Step 6 is to water the seeds and then duct tape it shut so that it doesn't come open, because you want it to be like a little greenhouse. And then once you have made the jug, you'll find some shady spot in your yard to put it so it's not in direct sun, because you don't want it too hot in there. And once the soil gets warm enough, then it will start to sprout. Sometimes it can take a couple weeks or it can take a couple months. You just don't know when it will sprout. So here you have it. That's 6 easy steps for winter sowing in milk jugs.